Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Welcome also for the new people that they are on my educational group, and maybe for them it's the first time that they are live with me right now. And don't remember that every day I'm doing live session, except that I didn't do yesterday and 2 days ago because I was very busy, because also I'm doing a new project and also some other things of mine. So sorry for that, but now I'm trying to come back to the charts and to the live sessions. And also don't forget that it's also the end of the month and you should trade very carefully, to use a very small lot size. Don't over trade, okay? Because tomorrow it will be the 1st of April and we will start a new beginning, okay? A new fresh month. And remember that in the first week of the month the price is just, let's say, ranging a little bit, and there it will show us the direction, okay? Now I was looking on the 30-minute of GJ and showing me that it cannot break right now this area of 152.500 area, and it seems like it's rejecting. But maybe I'm thinking that the price is only coming back down just to retest again this area of 152-250 area, and from here to come back up again. Let's see where this price it will finish this month. I'm very curious, because if the price it will continue to go higher, okay? So also I have put here, right here, a line, and I'm thinking that if the price is going to close above 152.700 area, then I think that there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go higher, okay? And let me go on the monthly, because also it's the end of the month and you should, oh wait, what I'm doing here. And also you should do the same, okay? If you really want to become a trader, okay? So you should do like a back testing, okay? So every month, and when you start a new fresh week, you have to do like let's say some analysis and see where is the price at that moment and where the price can go next. So right now, because I can look on the 1 month, all the time I say that if we have momentum, the weeks are filled. So if I'm looking right here, let me take, so if I'm looking right here, we have a big week, okay? So also I have put here like an alert for me to notice that the price can continue to go higher. So in this case, I do believe that the price should continue to go up, okay? Most probably the price is going to do the same thing, okay, to create like a wick and maybe to come back down, okay, to retest from this area, because we have also, if we look on the left side, we have also this wick, okay, and also this one, and maybe the price will have, let's say, like a small issue, okay, continue to go up. But I do believe that the price it will continue to go higher, and then maybe it's like for you to understand, it's like the price is grabbing some liquidity and then it's coming back down. So we have to wait for the best opportunity, okay, to enter in the trade. By the way, I will do also during the weekend, I will do also the weekly analysis to see also how the week will end, and including the month and so on. So I think that the next analysis will be amazing, okay? So we will have new opportunities, okay? And I think that the market is still showing us better and better directions. So this is what I think right now, and this is based of price action and from how do I trading. So all the time I'm watching where do I have wicks. If I have momentum, then the wicks are filled. If the price is closing above an area, then there is a high probability for the price to continue to go up, and so on. So it doesn't have, how you say, you don't have to see, let's say, the candle that it's closing somewhere here, but it may come up, create like a wick, and then come down. So going by the weekly, it shows that on the weekly we have here like let me do it like this, like a resistance, like a support. Okay, also because we have this wick here, the price only came back down, did like a retest, and came back up even more. And if I'm looking on the left side on the weekly, I can see that right now this candle is finishing this area of 152,700 area, and then there is a higher probability to go to 152. Okay, so right now I don't suggest you to be in a trade. Okay, first of all, you have to wait for the best opportunity to go into a trade. In the same time, if I'm going, let me do it, I don't know if you can see it also on the 1 hour. Let me see on the 4 hour, because I want to show you something. Yes, on the daily I think it's better. So also on the daily, also I have this idea in my mind that maybe where is it, I will take this one. So I'm thinking that maybe the price you see here created like a support, okay, and the price is doing like this, and I'm expecting that maybe the price, it will reject from this area, okay, and the price will do something like this. There is a higher probability, and maybe from here to shoot up again. We don't know, because if it's doing like this, then in my mind could be in how you say, in a range area on a daily. Okay, so I have also this idea in my mind. So if the price is going to reject from this area, then there is a higher probability for the price to reject from this zone and then to come back down. Okay, this depends also a lot how it's going to close today. That's why all the time I say, and also all the time I say to the guys that they are on my group, that you should not be in a rush taking the trade, because you never know how the candles will shift direction, and then you can lose some how you say, very nice entries. Okay, so this is about right now about GJ. Oh, come on, remove. So I can see that we still have, let's say, 2 minutes until this 1 hour candle will close, and I really want to see how it's going to close. And then there is a high probability for the price to come a little bit down, create like a wick, and then come up to retest 152,500 area. Okay, let me go to EURJPY, because I can see that the price is rejecting from this area where I have put my resistance before, and I think that the price may come back down. Maybe it's doing like a retest right here, and then maybe shoot up even higher. We don't know also with this one, but we have to wait to see exactly where the candles are closing. Right now I can say that it's better not to trade at all, and to wait for the best opportunity to go into a trade, maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. What do you say here? What about gold, ma'am? Well, let's go to gold. I can say this I have put it already. So right now gold, it's in a range area. For those that they don't know, when I am using this green box, okay, so when I put this box, it means that the price is in a range, so you should not trade it. Okay, and with a confirmation on the 30-minute, you should wait to have either a buy or a sell. Maybe you can have, let's say, like a buy stop or sell stop, okay? And there is a probability for the price, so if it's going to break right here and close, okay, because all the time you need confirmation, also I have put it here. Your first target could be right here, 1705, and if the price is going to break down here with a confirmation, then your first take profit could be somewhere around 16, 17.25, okay? So the same also with this pair. Wait before going into a trade, wait for confirmation, okay? As you can see, I have put it also right here, I have put it also for me. So I say to myself all the time, wait for the best wait for the best opportunity. That means that when you are trying to find opportunities, wait for confirmation, either up or down, okay? So right now, no trade for gold, wait. Yes, ma'am, that's why I said I learned patience from you. Yes, it's very important. It's not that I'm the most patient person, okay, or maybe trader, but I can say that I have learned it. I have learned this skill from some other good traders. I can say my mentor, okay, and he told me that if you want to become profitable, the first thing is to how you say, stop overthinking and stop being in a rush to take a trade, because you will end up losing your account. And he was right. Thank you for this analysis, learning a lot. You are welcome. Well, that's why I'm here, for you to learn and to become profitable, because I told you at the beginning when I started to trade, I wanted the same, to learn, to become profitable. I wanted to have a person in front of me, or maybe next to me, or maybe, I don't know, on a group chat, to tell me what should I do, what should I look for the next move, and so on. So I say the same thing for you. That's why I'm doing here this. I'm giving you free education, okay? Because I want you to become to be profitable, okay? Because I know that some of you are not, and I hope that you will become. So regarding gold, you should not trade right now. As you can see, nothing is moving. So this one, it's really ranging. There is no volume right now in the market. Let me see. Let me go back again. So if you have any other pairs, you can come and ask me, okay? Because maybe you are in a trade, maybe you are in a profit, maybe you are in a drawdown, maybe you want to know where is the next take profit, and so on. So if you need any help, I am here and I can help you. Let me see again GJ, because I have an eye on this one. So the new 1 hour candle started, and let me see how many hours do we still have. Okay, almost 3 hours until this 4 hour candle will close. So because the price it closed here, there is a high probability for me thinking that the price should continue to go up again to retest 152, 550 area. So this is what I do believe right now. So I think that this one, it may continue to go higher to fill this week, okay? So here you have 12 pips for those that they are trading with a, let's say, bigger lot size. It can be a good trade, okay? Because it's like, remember, all the time candles are filling these weeks, okay? All the time. So when you have, also when I give signals, all the time I say, when you have 10 pips or 15 pips made it, okay, please secure your trade, okay? Maybe close 50% of your trade, and then let the rest run, okay? Because if you have some money in your bag, you are secure, you have something, okay? You are not like you did, I don't know, it's like in my mind, it's like if you stay here in front of the computer so many hours and you are in a trade, it means that you should be paid for this, okay? So if you have a very good strategy and a very good analysis, then in my mind it's that if I am closing 50% of the trade, or if I'm securing, not closing, only securing at 10 pips, then in my mind it's like I already made money, and the market can do whatever it wants, okay? Because that means that every day or every time when I'm going into a trade, that means that I'm profitable, okay? So you should think the same, because this is my way of thinking, and that's why I started to build, let's say, accounts with small, how you say, even if I had playing with small lot size, I have put it money on top of the other, and I built it, and I created a nice account. So yes, you can create, and yes, you can make some nice money, okay? If you are smart, and if you think positive, and if you can see better what the market can give you. Let me go to EURJPY, because one friend here, he's asking about EURJPY. His name is Hema. I hope, my God, you have a very long name. I cannot pronounce it. Hema, Rao, Suku, Maran, I don't know. Very nice names, but they are very difficult to pronounce them. So about EURJPY, let me go on the 4 hour to see. Maybe the price is going to reject this area, 1.17, 200 area, okay? So maybe the price can come down more, and if it's going to break this area, then it can continue to go even lower. And as you can see here, the price is in a downtrend, okay? So there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go lower than to come up. Maybe the price came here, okay? This was in the London session only to create, let's say, to do like a retest, and then for the price to continue his way, that means to go lower. So let me go on the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour, as we can see, it's rejecting this area from here. Okay, so if it's rejecting this area, then the price can come again to 1.17, 0.55. You are in a sell, you are in a buy here, Hema, or you are just interested what EURJPY is doing right now. Be careful, because I don't know, here it's showing me, or maybe no, I thought that it's a candle without any wick. When you see candles that they finish with no wick, that means that there is no range for the next candle to continue its way. And I thought that this one it doesn't have, but it has a very, very small tail right there. So right now the price is falling, and you should wait at least 30 minutes or maybe 15 minutes to see what the price is trying to tell you, okay? So if you are in some other trades, you can tell me, maybe I can help you with something. Also, let me see, because right here it's like there is a higher probability also for the price, let's say, like rejecting from this zone, okay, and maybe to come up again. We don't know. That's why I said wait at least the 15-minute candle, okay? You still have 6 minutes, and like this it can give you a better idea what it can happen next, okay? So I do believe that the price should continue to go lower. Let me see the currency strength meter. For those that they don't have it, you can go to livecharts.co.uk, and here you can find all these charts, let's say live charts, okay, where you can see your currency strength meter, which one is the strongest, and so on. So right now Euro USD also very good because I enter. I can see that right now they are like in a range, okay, not even euro or dollar. They are at the same. We have also this one. As you can see, it says that euro it's a little bit stronger than the dollar, but you don't know later on what will happen. That's why I don't see anything right now. For me, in my mind, it's like if the price is going to reject from here at 1.70 to 100 area, then there is a higher probability for the price only to retest this zone and to come back up. If not, then the price should retest again this zone of 1.17. So all the time before going into a trade, you have to go by probability, okay? Where the price can go, okay? You say buy. I'm holding sell from 1.8836. What do you say here? I'm holding sell. You are. I'm in GBPJPY. Sorry. So you are saying about Hema. You're saying I'm holding sell from 1.88. In which pair you are here, because I don't know. And we have here a friend, Mohammed. I am in GBP cat buy. Can you please check for me? Buy. Okay, let's see. This is the 1 hour. It's like the price is breaking through this area. Yeah, but it's rejecting this zone. You see here. All the time we look on the left side, okay? All the time. But the price can reject from here, you know, and then to come back even higher. So maybe your idea is good, okay? I think that if the price is going to break it, then you can go to 1.73 area. This is one thing. Let me see on the 30-minute, on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, it can be something like this. Okay, so this is different right now, and it seems like it's just retesting this area and it's trying to come back up. Okay, you have to wait. I think it's a little bit strange here, although the price, it's like, for me, it's like if I put it here like a box, it seems like the price is ranging. So yes, there is a higher probability for your price to continue to go high. I don't think that it's going to touch 1.74, only if it's going to happen something. Depends also for the big institution where they want to close the month right now. So I think that your idea with the buy is good. I'm holding buy. Ah, okay, Euro USD 1.88. Sorry, I didn't realize. So, but something it's not okay. I mean, I'm holding buy 1.88. Where do you have your 88? You say for Euro USD. I don't know. Here you have some other numbers. Where do you have 88? Maybe it's another pair. Maybe it's GBPUSD. I don't know, something else. Thanks for the analysis, ma'am. You're welcome. Andrea, what do you think about GJ? It will go down. Where is GJ? I don't know if it's going down, because look, on the 30-minute it did exactly what I said. Let me go on the 1 hour. Remember, I was talking about GJ before, and I said that remember all the time the wicks are filled. So right now GJ, it went up. Here this week had something like 12 pips, I think, and that's why I said if you want to enter in the trade, you can use a bigger, for those that they are trading with a bigger lot size, so there is you will find enough pips. So this is what I said. I remember well. This it was, I don't know, 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. So no, I don't think that the price it will come down. I think that the price it will continue to go higher, and I think that all the pairs with GBP, with a pound, they could continue to go higher. Okay, so please, this you should remember all the time, wicks are filled. Okay, if you see a price climbing like this one, okay, it means that the price it has a higher chance to continue to go up, not down. Okay, because we are in an uptrend. Never take a sell when you see that the price is going up. Never take a buy when you see that the price is going down. It's very simple. So these are the main things that you start to trade. Okay, so if I was in a trade with GJ, boom, with a big lot size, we could have here like 10 pips, 12 pips, good entry, yeah, something like 13. Okay, 12 pips, it's enough. So maybe somebody was in a buy for GG, so don't look right now for a sell. If you want to look for a sell, it means that you should wait at least the 4-hour candle to see where it's going to close and if it's going to reject from this area. Okay, if not, that means that there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go higher. And when I'm going to the 4-hour candle, I can see that also here on the left side we have two beautiful wicks, and that most probably they will be filled. That means that there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go to 152,550 area. Okay, what do you say here? HEMA 1.18836. So you are holding buy for Euro USD. Well, very good. I hope that the price is going into your favor. Okay, it's something else. You said at the beginning 1.88. That's why I was so confused, and I said okay, I will let him to see what he's trying to say. So 1.18. So you are holding a buy 18,800. Oh my god. So you are in a buy from here and you don't have a stop loss? Because it's quite difficult. I mean, 18800 area from here. Well, it's a little bit strange being in a buy from here. Okay, let me put it, because I mean, I don't understand why you entered right here. First of all, you didn't wait for the candles to give you the confirmation. If you are going like this, you will see that your price is being in a range, and the candles break through this range area, came back down. That means that the higher probability for the price to come down, it's higher for the price to come up. So you have also to look that you are in a downtrend. Okay, so right here the price in the 4 hours showed you only that it did like an accumulation, and the price it's continued to go even lower. So also here Euro USD, it did the same thing. Okay, it did the same thing like it did here. Okay, accumulation, and then the price came back down. Maybe the price did here a retest and coming back even lower, because also, as you can see, I have put here like an alert, and I'm waiting for the price to come to this area, or maybe the price it will go into your favor, meaning that the price it can go up. But don't think that the price will go right now, because it's impossible. I don't think that the price it will do this move also right now when you are in the last day of the month. So before going into a trade, wait for confirmation. So your stop loss is at 1.15 for, it's somewhere here. Okay, let's say here. It's huge. I mean, I really want to know your take profit. Where is it? That means that I should go on the higher time frames, like weekly, or maybe, because maybe you are trading like this. And if you are trading like this, then yes, your idea could be good for the price to continue to go higher, and there is a higher probability for the price to reject from this zone and to come up. So if I'm trading, if I'm looking at this trade on the weekly, yes, you could be right, but you didn't enter at the best point. You should wait it more. Okay. Hi, I will appreciate your idea. Made a buy, and another buy was at 411. Do you think it will come? I don't know which pair is this one. Please write to me, because I cannot read. So if you see that I'm not using that currency pair, it means that I'm not trading. Okay. So I think that you didn't enter perfectly in this one on the Euro USD, and you could wait it more. But if you can catch, and if you are lucky for the price to reject and to come up here it can be your let's say take profit. Okay, put it here, your first take profit at 1.19900 area, and from here you will see what will happen, because if you look on the weekly right here, you can see these rejections. So I can say that looking by the weekly, yes, your trade could be valid. Looking on the smaller how you say, smaller time frame, not valid, and there is a high probability for the price to hit your stop loss. I think that you should wait it more. Let me see EURJPY. It's really nothing doing right now. So what I can say is that today also I have tried a signal in the morning, okay, and it made 15 pips. I said for those that they don't feel comfortable, you can close it. So I closed it too at the 15 pips. The thing is that it's the last day of the month, okay, so right now I don't see something let's say something a very good idea to enter in a trade. Not right now, at least not now. We should wait, and I repeat myself, wait for the 4-hour candle to see if it can give you an opportunity. If not, then you don't have to go into a trade because nobody's pushing you, and you don't feel any pressure on your back, you know, to go into a trade. Let me see GBPCAD. So I think Mohammed, or I don't know who is in this trade. So I think that there is a high probability for the price to continue to go higher, at least to retest again this area of 1.73700 area, okay? So there is a higher probability. Naji, what do you say here? What do you think about gold? It is time for a sell? No time for a sell. Remember this one, or maybe you should mark up your chart the same. Look at my chart right now. Maybe you should take a picture. Maybe it's easier for you. No trade right now. Don't trade. It's in a range, okay? So when I put the price in a box, it means that the price is doing like accumulation. The price is ranging. That means that you should not trade it, because you don't trade something which is going like this, up, down, up, down. You should want to trade something which is moving, it's breaking this area, okay? So it's like coming back down, like something like this candle, okay? You want something like this one, or maybe you want a move like this one. You don't need this move, up, down, up, down. You don't need something which is not 100% sure, okay? Not even this one can be 100% sure, but I feel much better going into a trade when the price, I can see that is falling, or maybe the price can go up or down. But no, I don't see gold going right now for a sell. And coming up right now on the 4-hour, as I can see that right here, gold on the 4-hour created like a support. It means that there is a higher probability for the price to break this area and then to come up again, and maybe all the time I say this, maybe the price can stop first here, and we have a 1699 area. And I'm saying this because you have also this area from here, and also this one, so you could have also 1695. So try to be smart and don't rush into a trade. And no, this one is not for sale. This is what I think. GBPCAD looking good. Where is it? Well, Mohammed, I think yes, because it breaks through my box, first of all. The second one is that here on the left side we have this red beautiful candle. All the time I say beautiful candles, maybe because I'm a girl, I don't know. And there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go up. If not, then it's going to create like a fake out and coming back down again. But if I'm going on the 1-hour, it seems like the price, it did like a small retest right here, and it's trying to come back up. I told you at least to fill this week. wait for the best, how you say, or maybe you said that you are in a trade already. Be careful, and if you see that the price is not going into your favor, then you can close your trade, or maybe you can close 50% of your trade, okay? So nobody's pushing you, but I think that there is a high probability for the price to continue to go higher. Hema, what do you say here? Thanks, ma'am. You're welcome, and I hope that you will come here every day and learn new things before rushing to go into a trade, okay? Because it's very difficult to have trades. Also, with what happened right now on the market, also with a crazy virus and everything that's going on the world, it's very difficult, and we should be very careful, okay? Right now I think that Bitcoin is going again up, so again things will shake a little bit with USD, so we have to wait to see also with what's going on also with some other pairs, okay? So EURJPY, this is a 30-minute, a 1 hour. For those that they are on my group chat and maybe they want to trade more, maybe they want to find another opportunity, I tell you definitely you should wait the 4-hour candle. If not, I think you should take a day off, because nobody's pushing you to have a trade. Me, I will not have a day off, because even if, for example, yesterday and 2 days ago I didn't do the live session, I was right there with you on the group chat, on the educational, and I was explaining things and being there with you. So I cannot say that I can take a day off. My day off could be Sunday, because every other days I am working. And also after I finish the live stream, I will start with my students, and I have also some fresh new students, and I say welcome to them. Maybe you are right here on the live stream. So also, if you want to learn more, or maybe if you want to learn my strategy, you can take also you can go to my website at bloomfxsignals.com, and here you can find all the information about the BloomFX courses, and you can take classes with me one-to-one. So I think that you will learn a lot of new things and good things, okay? Because my strategy is based on how you say, price action plus some other indicators. So if you want to book it, I am right here. I will answer to you. Or maybe you don't need, maybe you are some good traders. What about AUD/USD? Possible to go higher? AUD/USD. In my mind, also here, this was one of my ideas for the price to continue to go higher. I didn't took this one, but it can be. Yes, it can go higher, but wait for the price. Maybe it's going to do a retest downward here. Anej, what do you say? Gold is going space X mode. Let's see. You see, and we had a friend right here, and he was trying to take sell. I mean, not trying, he was asking, should we go into a sell right now? No, we should not go into a sell, because the price is not telling us that it should come lower, it should come higher. So if the price is going to break up to this area, then there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go up. Or maybe some other traders, and sometimes I take impulse trade. You should take it by the impulse, you know, and you don't wait for the price to give you, let's say, like the confirmation. Okay, I just go into a trade by the impulse. So if you want to trade this one, wait for confirmation for at least 30 minutes, and you could have a very nice buy. If not, that means that the price should reject from that area and come back down. Let me see also the 15. Let's see where the big institutions, they want to leave, let's say, not to leave, where they want to put the price on the monthly chart, okay, because they want it at a specific number, okay. So it's not about us, it's about the big institution, and we just have to predict where they want to have the price. So let's see if the price is going to break that area, that box, and then to continue to go higher. And I think that here it could be the first take profit at 16.94, the second take profit around 16.99, and the third take profit could be at 17.04, sorry. So yes, 05. So if not, then the price can reject from here and come back down. Gold, what do you say? Why you have deleted the message? Kar Mujilan. I don't know how to pronounce your names, but they are very funny. EURJPY sister, can you analyze? EURJPY, let's see. EURJPY, it seems like it's rejecting and coming up very nicely on the 30 minute, okay? Also, as you can see, I have put my alert right here, but it didn't touch my alert, so that's why I have put my alert right here at 0.85, because I said that if the price is going to touch here, okay, my zone here, I think that the price should continue to go higher, and then I could have a buy from here, but it didn't touch it, so nothing happened. But I think that the price, it will come back even lower, and I will have maybe in the next 4-hour candle this opportunity. So right now it's going into a downtrend. On the 1 hour, it's like rejecting from this area, and you have to wait for at least the 30-minute candle to see exactly where the price is going to close, because the price can come to this area and maybe retest and then come back down even lower, or maybe if the price is going to break this zone at 0.85300 area, then there is a higher probability for the price to retest again this area, where we have this resistance at 0.85380 zone, okay. So I think that also for this one, I'm waiting for the next candle, also on the 1 hour. I think that I can use here a Fibonacci. So I think that there is nothing right now, and I told you, you don't have to push yourself by doing a trade, okay. But I think that right now nothing can be done, So about Euro GBP, I told you there is a higher probability for the price to come and touch this zone and maybe to retest and come back down. Although it looks very nice to reject from here and then come up here. You see here also on the 30-minute, it's like the price did like a range. I think that the trade was done from here. Boom. The price breaks through this area. You can see break through this box. That's why I think one of this is again one of my strategies with the boxes, that put the boxes where you see that the price is accumulating, okay, it's in a range, and wait to see if the price is going to break through this area up or down. For example, here the price break through this box, came back down, close lower, and that means in my mind it's like there is a high probability for the price to continue to go lower than to come up. Also because I'm looking on the left side and I can see a clear candle, and when you see this and when you see that the price is breaking, then the price can continue to go lower. So here it was a very nice trade, and I think that already it's been done. So I think that you should not do too much right now. And I repeat myself, you should use this strategy with the box. It's very simple. You just mark up your chart where you see that the price is doing like this, up down, and you can do it on the, I think that the best time frame for this strategy is to go on the 30-minute and sometimes 15, but I think that the 30 minutes is the best. And like this you can have a very fast trades when you can see that the price is going either up or down. So what I can say that I cannot stay too much with you on the live session, because I have to start and prepare myself, because I have new students waiting for me and I have to do the classes with them. I just want to tell you that for those that they are already on my group chat, also be there available for you, and if you have questions and maybe you are in a trade, or maybe if I see something I can go into a trade, definitely I will tell you, but I don't know, because I repeat myself, it's the last day of the month, which is very crazy. But I do think that later on we will see some crazy moves, some moves that we will not expect them. But I will wait for you tomorrow also, because it's the 1st of April, and we will start a fresh new month, and maybe I can find some new opportunities by going into a trade. And I suggest you not to overtrade, and if you want to learn more, and if you want to learn my strategy, because also I have put it on my page, on my official page on Instagram, I said that I give a free pass for 1 week for those that they want to see how do I trade and how it looks and what do I do on my educational chat with all the students. And you can have the possibility to enter 1 week for free. You just have to send me a message on Telegram, and when I will have time I will come back to you. Also, I received a lot of messages and I couldn't have time to answer to them, but later on in the night I will choose all the people that they will be with me for the next week for free. And I think that you still have time to send me messages, and maybe I can give you the free pass. Okay, great session. Thank you, Mari. I thank you too, because you are here with me, and because I can understand that if you are here with me, it means that you want to, you really want to understand what Forex means, and you want to understand that you should be very calm if you want to take some trades, and you want to become profitable. So I am waiting for you tomorrow, and for those that are on my group chat, see you there. Okay, don't overtrade and don't do stupid things by losing your accounts. Okay, and don't be heroes. Okay, in the last day of the month, be smart and make money.